Can you tell which one is which? Both of them have been captured at 60 FPS, one out of 120 seconds, ISO at 100. Tell me in the comment section if you can see a difference between the top and the bottom clip. There you have it. The top one is the Dji Avata stabilization and gyro flow, and the bottom one is the GoPro 10 footage stabilization done in gyro flow. So you on the Dji Avata. Do you think it's worth it, as a lot of people have done it, to mount a GoPro on top of it? Contrary to the DJI FPV, I find the DJI Avata footage to be much better. DJI FPV was just above decent, but there was nothing extraordinary with it. But I think with this one, with this quad, DJI Avata has really improved video quality. There you have the GoPro 10, still stabilized in gyro flow. If nobody told me, honestly, I could not tell the difference. I can tell that curves are clean. The crop, I think, is almost the same. So let us switch now to some slow-mo footage so that you can see all the faults of the stabilization. So as you can see on the DJI Avata, when you stabilize it in gyro flow, there's almost no vibrations. And in order to see that, just check the edges of the frame. It's clean. Here I was just trying to follow that line. Tell me, if I didn't tell you, would you be able to tell me if this one is a DJI Avata footage or a GoPro footage? Because that's my point here. I'm just trying to find out if it's really useful to do that, because I think people who did that cannot use DJI Avata to its full potential, because it was not designed to have some GoPro mounted on it. You could tell me that the DJI FPV neither, but the difference is that the DJI FPV has enough strength and power to transport a GoPro on top of it, even though it was not designed for that. So now we have the GoPro 10 footage, still in 60 FPS, slowed down to 40% because I have a 24 FPS timeline. Tell me in the comment section if you can see even like a tiny difference between this footage and the previous one. I'm gonna tell you, I can't. So my point is, if you have a DJI Avata, is it worth it to buy a GoPro? A GoPro that would cost you around the same price as a standalone Avatar. Here's my point. The only thing that could motivate you to buy a GoPro and mount it on the DJI Avata is all the options that the DJI Avata does not give you. For example, what I like doing is fly at 30 FPS and slow it down to 80%. Look at the motion blur at the bottom of the frame. You can't have that with the DJI Avata. If you plan to fly like me and you don't really plan to like make some slow-mo effect, then yes, the GoPro 10 or 11 does not matter. Makes sense.